Hello, grade 7 students. Today we'll see Unit 2, The Master Artist, written by Carol Moore. So, he is an author and a creator of the children's storybook online. She also has a site to fulfill the lifelong dreams of writing stories for children. She also illustrates story for children. So, this is the story of Manju Sin Nilabe, a master painter of the 14th century. He is due to retire from the guild that hired out painters to paint portraits for payment when a man called Giuliano Bertoli asks him to paint his portrait on the huge dining wall of his house. Initially, Nilabe is reluctant. He is not eager to take on such a big assignment at the end of his career. But when he has an idea, he could use this opportunity to paint as he wished and not according to the accepted styles of his time as he had been forced to through his career. He asks to be allowed to paint this version of the portrait. He also insists that Bertoli should not pose for his portrait and should not ask to see the work in progress. Bertoli finds the demand strange, but he trusts the reputation of the artist and accepts the terms. The reputation is nothing but he does not want money but a food and a place to sleep. Nilabe puts upon a screen in front of the 20-foot wall and sets to work behind it. Bertoli tries to peep and ask questions but in vain. Nilabe only assures him on his training at the hand of a great artist of his knowledge of a true fresco and of the permanence of the fresco. Finally, after 6 months, the curtain is drawn aside. Bertoli sets eyes on his portrait and he hates it. Nilabe cannot understand why Bertoli is so furious. Bertoli cannot understand why Nilabe could draw such an absurd thing. So, what went wrong? Nothing except Nilabe's timing. He had painted the portrait in a style which would later be known as Cubism, but 500 years later, when Pablo Picasso would make it famous. That is the great irony of the story. This story uses suspense, but not in a way as it is used in mystery stories. Though the reader feels curious to know what is the style that Nilabe wishes to employ. But how is the portrait shaping up? Why is it so secret? Finally, Bertoli's reaction takes the suspense to a peak. What is so terrible about the portrait of which Nilabe worked for so long? Then we learn that it looks so absurd to Bertoli because it is so new that it is revolutionary. Okay, dear children, I hope you would have understood this story. Thank you.